You want a super simple recipe that will help to hydrate your cells, energize your body, and plus detoxify your system? Well, I got some for you. You want to try it? So these are the ingredients. We just have red grapes and lemon. That's it. So we have our red grapes, and today I'm going to juice about 3 pounds of red grapes. Now, one of the things that makes red grapes so powerful is that they are full of flavonoids, and flavonoids help to kill cancer cells. Also helps to hydrate the cells, really good for preventing blood clots and reducing acid in the body. So there's a lot of health benefits to red grapes, even the seedless ones. I know it's hard for a lot of people to find seeded grapes, but even the seedless ones are powerful. And then we're going to use half of a lemon. And for this recipe, we're going to use the entire lemon, including the peel. Now, the peel is high in what is called D-limonene, which helps to detoxify the liver. It's also high in vitamin C. So we're going to use the whole thing, and it gives the juice a real nice lemony taste. So we're going to use the whole thing. All right, now we're done with our real quick prep. Now it's time to juice. So that's going to give you about 32 ounces of juice. Cheers. That is so good. Tastes just like sweet lemonade.